I'm making one of my own penne alla vodka. Now what I have here in the non-stick skillet for about high heat. So I'm going to start with that I'm going to be using for 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm also going to put about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Just going to melt that. Get that really nice and hot. I just like to give it a swirl so the butter melting on the way for that with the hot oil. Don't make it too hot, right? Already melt the butter and the oil. I'm just going to make sure to turn it back down. We're going to put this in. Has been already peeled and minced 6 cloves of garlic. I'm going to move the garlic over here. I turn this for medium heat after it's been high. I also peeled and minced 1 large white or yellow onion that I just put it into the food processor. Just you want to get to saute the garlic and the onions after the oil is really hot and the butter just melted. Just want to saute these, or you can give that to caramelize until the garlic and the onions will make it nice soften. Now, after the onions has been translucent with the garlic, I'm going to pour 1 cup of vodka. Just keep stirring after the onions has been translucent. Just to bring it to a low simmer. I just turn it back down for medium heat after it's been high, making sure to stir it constantly. I stop stirring that you can maybe see just a little simmer that I turn it only about medium heat. Can you see the vodka simmering with the onions and the garlic? That's why I turn it back over medium heat. I'm going to pour 28-ounce can that I'm going to be using crushed tomatoes with basil. So they have a lot of basil inside the crushed tomatoes. Just want to keep stirring. After the vodka, just a quick simmer. So this tomatoes has been coated inside with the vodka. I'm going to pour 1 cup of heavy cream. I want to keep stirring that, give that a little color, and make it very bright of the vodka sauce. This vodka sauce turns colorful, really bright, and it has pink. Just like you're making for the pink tomato sauce. Just keep stirring, and you can see all those color of the vodka sauce. I also got to put in a half teaspoon of kosher salt and ground black pepper. Just going to keep stirring. And that's how you make a very bright, very colorful, very pink vodka sauce. I have the boiling water in this pot right next to it. Then I'm going to cook the pasta for those penne. You're going to need only 16-ounce boxes. You got to cook these. That tells you according directions on the back of the box that has to be al dente. I have only one with tri-colored. They didn't have only the regular one. I'm just going to cook the pasta real quick. When the vodka sauce just almost ready for that, you can go ahead and remove the heat. I'm going to cook the pasta. Alright, let's add the cooked pasta. Has been already al dente. I'm just going to show you for the tri-colored ones, like this, and I'm going to coat it right into the vodka sauce. So this pasta has been already al dente, nice and firm to the tube. Cook it in salted boiling water. I'm just coating it right here for the penne. And this is what it looks like, a penne alla vodka. And we're going to plate it up with a serving platter. And this skillet might be so heavy. I like to sprinkle with some grated Parmesan cheese right on top of that for presentations. And here's the finish, penne alla vodka. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to see something. Make sure to view, always watch for sharings, subscribe my channel, click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Always remember to smash like button. As always, bon appetito.